Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In today's video, we will walk you through the EPS packaging factory in China. This foam factory has a total of 10 sets of 5 minutes quick mold change EPS shaping molding machine, using our central vacuum system and a directly steam supplier from the steam power plant, so that the factory does not have a steam boiler. All the pipe systems are designed and placed according to the standard request. If you want to know all the pipe size showing in this video, please feel free to leave the message in the comment section below. So today, we will invite Mr. Zhang to explain the whole process of how to load EPS mold to 5 minutes quick mold change machine. Here we go! Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Lifting the assembled EPS mold onto the mold loading trolley by forklift or crane. Put the lock pin into the bottom of the mold to fix the mold on the trolley and prevent the mold from sliding and tipping during the move process. Manually push the mold loading trolley to the corresponding EPS shaping molding machine where the mold is to be installed. Align the mold loading trolley track. Manually crank the screw to complete the alignment for 2 tracks. Remove the lock pin. Check if there is any other object in the steam chamber. Include screws, tools, and other hardware. Push the entire mold loading frame into fixed mold steam chamber. After push the mold completely into the chamber and click on the touchscreen to lock the fixed mold first. Then click on the touchscreen, lock the movable mold. Look at the hydraulic pressure gauge and observe on the machine whether the movable hydraulic cylinder is fully locked. And at the same time, check whether the fixed mold is also fully locked. Loosen the screw for the movable mold. Note: this step is very important, otherwise the mold might be damaged. Connect the cooling water pipe for fixed mold. Connect the 2 black color compressor air tube that control open and close filling gun. Also connect the compressor air pipe for filling. Open the compressor air manifold valve for filling gun. Install the back plate. Adjust the position of the mold stopper according to the thickness of the foam products. Above is the whole process for loading the mold. According to our experience, it takes about 5 minutes to complete the whole mold loading, which is much more efficient than the regular type. E and T for change the mold. It suits for the foam factory where needs often mode change during daily work. This is pretty much everything for today's video. If you like it, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. We will know that we are doing the right thing. See you next video.